Tired of wrestling with your backdrop? Be the envy of all your friends and let John show you how to do it easily. Hi! So today we're doing a quick tutorial or instructional video on how to fold up one of these guys. Pop-up backdrops or pop-up reflectors. They're doing two types, the smaller type, the round circular type here, and then the larger backdrop type as well. They're slightly different techniques, so that's why I thought I'd do both. Just open this one out, pop it up. So these have a metal band all the way around, and there's only really one way that you can fold these. This technique for these, how it works for me, is I have one hand on this side and then one hand on top. So they're sort of opposite each other, because the technique I use is to sort of twist the two together. Bring my hands together, bring my arms together. And that works just like that. So quite straightforward, that one. Okay, I'll slow that down as well so you can have a look at it. So that's that type. The other type, which is a little bit more tricky, is the big 8x4 backdrops. Again, they have a metal band through them, but the technique is slightly different. So let's go through that. Got one here, so I'm just going to pop this up. So how I go about folding these is I have one hand halfway down the long edge, one hand halfway down the narrower edge, and notice my hands are both on top, the same orientation, so slightly different than the round one. And on this one I'm lifting and pulling together and bringing my hands together, because what I want to do is, you see the metal sort of folds and then starts to come together, and then just pick up the bottom section and job done. So if you're ever asked to put one of those back in the box or back in the bag, you can now perhaps do it with a bit more confidence. So I'll show you once more. Hands down the side, bring the edges together, and then just pop up the end. Job done. You can also go down to meet it on the floor if you like. I'm standing it up just from camera angles, but same principle. Down, job done. There you go, another one done.